Hello, dear friend. Welcome to day 19 of The Magic, a truly beautiful day. Today is all about the ground beneath your feet and the power of walking with gratitude. Have you ever thought about how many steps you take in a single day? Thousands of footsteps, moving you from one place to another, from your bed to the kitchen, from your home to the weather of the world, from your past to your future. But what if every one of those steps carried the power to transform your life? Today, we awaken to the magic footsteps. Here's the practice. As you walk today, whether it's a short stroll or a long journey, silently say, "Thank you," with every single step. Step, thank you. Step, thank you. Step, thank you. You can walk slowly or quickly. You can do it in the house, at work, or outside in nature. No one will know, but you will feel the shift. With each grateful step, you're not just walking. You're sending powerful energy out into the universe. You're turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. You're moving through life with grace. Because every time you say thank you align your heart with abundance, joy, and divine flow. And when your body and spirit move in gratitude, even the most familiar path becomes sacred ground. Let your steps carry blessings. Let your walk become prayer. Let your journey be filled with wonder. So today, walk with presence. Walk with peace. Walk with power. Walk with the magic of gratitude in every single step. And remember, the more grateful steps you take, the more magic will meet you along the way. See you tomorrow for day 20. Until then, keep walking with love and light. Hello, dear friend. Today is day 19 of The Magic, and it's all about turning every step into a miracle. As you walk today, silently say, "Thank you," with every step. Step, thank you. Step, thank you. You're not just walking, you're creating magic with your presence. The more grateful steps you take, the more beauty flows into your life. Walk with peace, walk with joy, walk with gratitude. And if this journey is touching your heart, follow this channel for more magic, more love, and more light every day. We're walking this path together.